Good morning guys. Pasok na naman tayo, no? Ay, no, wait lang. Okay. Let's go. Work. Nakauwi na tayo, ano? Time check. Gabi na. Saka lang nag-vlog, hindi nag-update eh. Kasi ano, nanood ko si Jordi ng, ang tawag nito, na Pitch Perfect 1 and 2 until 3. Inupuan talaga niya. Tapos ako naman, habang nanood siya ng Pitch Perfect, nag-edit naman ako. So ngayon, dali-dali tayo magluto ng pagkain para bukas. Kasi lutuan ko na rin ang munggo si Georgie. Para makakain na siya ba. Si Mr. nasa duty na din. So, ganito mangyayari pag mapili yung mga kasama sa bahay. So, nagluto ako ng spaghetti sauce. Gamit ko yan ang yung Pinoy style sauce. Tapos nag-saute ako ng ng akin naman. Tapos ito halo ko. Tapos yan mushrooms. Yung kay Georgie, ito naman munggo. No. So yung ulam ko guys, Chinese style. Lagyan ko ng Shaoxing wine. Ayan.
Yeah.
So
When are you gonna eat this?
Maybe next time.
It's not rushed enough.
Ganyan mangyayari pag katrabaho mo sa Hong Kong. Ma-influensahan ka magluto. Magluto na Chinese style. Ako, na-experiment lang ako. Mushroom.
Oh, what are you doing? I done this and then it landed on, it landed to mommy. I slingshotted the square and it landed like this.
Si Georgie ba, after she ate her dinner, she had her dessert, Maltesers, and then tapos ngayon nag-chocolate bread.
Did you say there's something in my tummy that makes me hungry?
Yeah, bitok. You know
Well, you said to me that
the big worm that I said to you before.
yeah, got a worm in my tummy.
Yeah, the worm in your tummy.
What everybody does. Mine does. Yeah, I know.
Super lasa guys. Ano yung lasa nito?
Hey!
Uy, what's wrong with you?
I slingshotted it again and it bounced off the chair and it landed all the way.
More vegetable guys. So, yan. Lagyan natin ng more veggies. Maliit yung ating kawali. Kasi maliit lang yung lutuan ko. Hindi magkasya pag gagamit tayo ng malaking kawali. Magpang-abot ito. Rainbow veggies, oh. Guwapa kaayo. No? Tapos, ibuhos natin yung sabaw ng pinabara ng mushroom. Huy, pakita yung panty. So,
Literally, how skinny is your knickers?
it's called T-back. See, sinorт out niya yung ano niya, guys.
I didn't ask what it was called. I asked.
It's not
why
skinny. It's a the design.
Oh, it looks so weird.
Ano? Tawag nito. So, yan. Inutusan ko magtupi. Magtulong naman ba?
This is better than piano.
Why, you don't wanna play your piano?
I do.
Oh, that's disappointing.
I said I do, but I'm saying this is funner than piano.
Yeah, but...
Because I help.
Yeah. Piano as well is good because you're helping mommy and daddy, you know? It's for you. The piano is for you. Yeah. Well done, Georgie. You big girl na love. Ang galing
How's a
ah.
pair of socks for daddy? Wow.
Yeah.
That is big knickers. Oh, yes,
Sorry,
oh my god, look at these ones.
Hoy!
Why in the world, mommy? What the heck? Why do you have such these weird knickers?
Don't say that because you're gonna soon when you bit bigger you're gonna wear the same knickers as mommy. I mean similar.
I don't want to wear that.
Why not?
It's my worst nightmare.
It's sexy. It's called
No, it
sexy.
isn't. I don't like being sexy.
Hey, you wanna wear granny knickers?
Oh, I want my normal ones.
What were you mumbling for? Oh, you big girl na labay. Galing na magtupi, oh. Galing. How did you know that?
Oh, you teach me.
Very
Well, you
good.
didn't actually teach me. You told me.
I showed you, yeah?
No, you just told me.
Well done, you. I'm proud of you, girl.
Wait, are you part of me not having a nose like yours? So like Piggy.
Alam dia, I'm happy that you don't get my nose. Well done, Georgie.
Victoria's Secret.
Oh, you do,
Mommy
Georgie?
has a Victorian Secret.
You know Georgie before?
Well,
Because I don't have much
before,
money.
did you have a big sticky
No,
bum?
no. My knickers, it has a hole.
Wait, Mommy. Before, did you have like Before, did you have stinky bums every day, even though you washed your bum?
Yeah. Because you keep ututing, no? Make your lubot stinky.
No, I'm talking about you. I'm talking about you, bro.
Ang galing magtupi, ah. Ah. So you're...
Finally, I can relax.
Oh, you need to put away, no, your knickers on yourself. Dali na. Come on, get it done. Dali na.
I just sat down.
Like this, oh.
Ow! My foot hit the radiator.
Wait, you kicked the radiator. Say sorry to the radiator. Oy, no, careful, oy. You're heavy.
I don't apologize to the radiator.
Dami onggoy.
I do not. It's not the radiator. I didn't have the radiator.
Do not lean the radiator,
Oh, I
Georgie.
can't help it.
Georgie,
It's relaxing.
damit onggoy. Okay?
No.
Ah, wa.
Damangger. Onggoy?
Ah, dami onggoy.
Onggoy?
Ikaw.
You're onggoy. Every single pet you ever had was an onggoy.
Dami onggoy.
You
onggoy?
You had an onggoy family.
If I'm onggoy, you're onggoy too. I'm your mother.
No, I was born as a labut. I was born as the onggoy labut. I was born as the onggoy labut. I can't help it. It's very funny.
ating niluto guys. So, nag-batch cooking tayo. Ano? Ayan. Ayan. So, para tipid. So, palamigin ko lang muna lahat yan bago ilagay sa fridge. Kasi, lalo wala nang pasok si Georgie ba? Kasi si Mr. hindi man nagluluto yan. So, niready ko na yung kanilang pagkain. Tapos, diligyan ko lang yung ano, yung mga halaman ko ba. Lagyan ko ng plant food. Para lalong mamulaklak. So, ayan, magdilig na ako guys. Tapos, manood kami ng ng series. Kaya in ko na po yung video. Maraming salamat po. Bye-bye!